Morning one and all. I say good morning, it's actually, for me, the middle of the night. I'm going to do something that I've never done on my YouTube channel before. Let's just give you a look at the time. That should say, sorry about the bad camera work, 20 to 12, 20 to midnight. I'm off to pick a mate up. I'm on a road trip to France, including Domino models. I'll see you all in a minute. Just going to pick my mate up and then get down to the Channel Tunnel. See you in a bit. Right there, here we are. Made it to Cobham Services. Let me turn around, get the light on my face again. So far so good. Done over 100 miles. And we are on our way to the Channel Tunnel. And then here's me mate.
With some goodies.
With some sweets and some drink to get us down to the tunnel.
Fruit pastels.
Fruit pastels. That'll do, old mucker. Right then, let's crack on and get to the Channel Tunnel. This time I'll remember to switch my camera off to save the battery. See you in a bit. Trot.
What you doing?
For YouTube, mate. This is we're at the Channel Tunnel now. Here's Neil. We've had a cracking run down. Absolutely no problems. I think we're about to find out if what we keep being told by the Remainers is true about getting into Europe is a nightmare. I've got my blue passport. He's probably got a pink one. You'll lamp me for that
I
now.
ain't got a real one.
Well, just because you come over on a boat, mate.
That's right. Why not?
We are. I am a sarcastic swine,
It's
mate.
the best way.
But
It certainly is.
yeah, we're off to France now. Breakfast in France, and that might be a bacon sandwich. Madame, monsieur, madame, le sandwich du bacon? No. Le croissant? Oui. That's it.
It's a roast beef.
Le roast beef. Avec my français est terrible, as you can tell. So back into my black country. Alright, mate. Right, we'll see you on the other side. And let's see how we get on. See you in a bit. Trot. Hiya. Third instalment, and we are in Calais. We've just been to Pidou supermarket and got some beer for Christmas. And now we're outside Boulangerie Sophie Le Brewery, having some French breakfast. Neil's got his pain au chocolat.
Very nice.
I got my croissant, they're all very nice, and some orange juice, and then it's on now, about an hour to my next call, which is the model shop, Domino models, and I'll be in there for a while. Anyway, onwards to the next stop. As the map masters say, let's go. Hi folks. Right, I didn't take the camera into Domino models because, well, I'm still a bit self-conscious about doing this, and I'm not really a travel vlogger like some people. I'm going to try and do a bit. I've really enjoyed today. Nice going out and getting around a bit. Nice having my mate Neil to come along with me. Got some great models from Domino's. Been through some nice supermarkets. Had some nice food, even though Burger King, which you can really call Burger King great food, but it's just been nice to get away from the West Midlands and spend some time with friends. Unfortunately, mate of mine, Gaz, couldn't make it, or else it would be three of us, and I didn't take the camera into the supermarket because I feel like a bit of a Burke. But when I get home, I'll do
do a video of what I brought today, and we'll take it from there. But right now we are at border control at Calais. We're just waiting to be called onto our train in about a quarter of an hour's time, and yeah, saying I was up at what, 10:30 tonight, last night. I'm starting to feel a bit jaded now, but well, it's been a great day. Been nice to get away. Got a few issues to sort out personally, mentally. I ain't been feeling myself. Been a lot of pressure at work. Workplace bullying, I think is the best way you could put it. One person's got it in for me. And well, time for a change of job, I think. Complete change, get away from lorry driving. Hopefully that'll free up some extra time for me to do more of my model making, which my main channels are. And I want to get on my bike and lose a bit of the double chin. Well, actually triple. Maybe more, who knows, I don't know. But yeah, I needed a break. This has been my break. I've driven a lot of miles. I don't mind. I really enjoy it. Being a singleton as well, you know, not by choice. Being forced on me by external forces, shall we say. But so far so good. Just get home, get myself something to eat on the way home. After all, it's been like a little holiday for me, so have something naughty to eat, a curry or a Chinese or something. Yeah, I'm putting my black country accent on thick, aren't I? I should be talking like this so people can understand a bit better. Yes. Right then. Time to get back in the driver's seat, get on that train, and get ready to head home. Time to touch down in Blighty again, I think. Don't you? Wait for the next bit. See you in a bit. Ta-ra. Well, we're on our way home. Pretty nice day out. And all we need to see now is the Eurotunnel sign. And we disappear into darkness, into the tunnel, heading back home. Come on. There it is. And we are into darkness. As the wall of the page says, enter darkness, come with light. We're heading back to the UK. Time to get home, have something to drink, something to eat, and to eventually wind this video up. Right, I need to go use the bathroom because we've got a 3.5 hour drive back home once we land in Folkestone, and I'm trying to cover as much mileage as I can to get me back home. See you in a bit, bye. Well, here we are, finally back home. This is now 9 o'clock of the evening. I've been up since 10:30 the night before, so a bit tired. But what a great day. Great thank you to the place I visited. Went to P-Do Superstore first, got some lager for myself. I don't drink that much, so it probably lasts me through Christmas, truth be told. Then from there, we went on to Belkit's. What a shop. I love that place, and I have spent a bit of money. There we are. The Hyundai WRC car. The i20 Coupe WRC from the Monte Carlo 2020 rally. Thierry Neuville or Sébastien Loeb or Otamac. I'll probably do Thierry Neuville. British Touring Cars. The Toyota Croonery that won the 93 British Touring Car Championship round at Knockhill. And then we go on to Porsche 911 GT1 by Tamiya. Kit I've wanted to do for a while. I was thinking about mail ordering that kit, but it was in Domino, so I had it. Citroen C3 WRC, Craig Breen, a man who I'm sure would have been a World Rally Champion. Unfortunately, well, he was killed in an accident, not good. And the Opel Ascona 400 of the one, the only Mr. Walter Roll. Oh yeah. Enamel thinners, X20. Can't get that in the UK. Can't get the enamel paints in Belgium either, unfortunately, but hey ho, did some general shopping. Bit of shampoo that you can't get in the UK, and it's nothing to do with Brexit either, before anybody says that. It's this stuff. Goni Fructis. Yeah, they stopped selling it well before Brexit, so don't even try that one. Anyway, I'm going to have myself a takeaway. Been to the local Indian. It's a bit beige, but lamb korma. I don't like anything too spicy. Washed down with a can lager. This is terrible. Washed down with a can lager, and then after 23 hours awake, time for bed. Anyway, folks, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Click down below, like and subscribe, and please feel free to watch more videos. I'm looking like I'm changing my job soon, so hopefully I'll get more time to make some more models and spend more time doing some YouTube videos. Anyway, take it easy, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Right now, I need some grub and some sleep. Catch you soon. Bye.